Learning English speaking. In this video, we will listen to some students who conducted research on the importance of reading, sports, and technology. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Reading is a great skill that can help you learn new things and enjoy yourself. Reading can help you learn new things about the world around you, expand your horizons and understand different cultures, improve your language and writing skills, relax and relieve stress, build your imagination and creativity. There are many different types of books you can read, so you're sure to find something that interests you. You can read non-fiction books about real events and people, or you can read fictional books that take you to new and exciting worlds. You can also read comic books, non-fiction books, and comic books. If you want to start reading, here are some tips. Start with something easy. If you don't read much, start with a simple, easy-to-understand book. Find the type of books you enjoy. There are many different types of books out there, so it is important to find one that you enjoy. Read in a quiet place. It's important to be able to focus on reading, so find a quiet place where you can relax. Take a break. Don't try to read all the time. Take breaks every once in a while to keep yourself focused. I hope you enjoy reading.
Sports is a great activity that can provide you with many health and mental benefits. Sports can help you improve your physical health. Exercise can help build muscle, increase cardiovascular strength, and reduce your risk of chronic disease. Improve your mental health. Exercise can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, improve mood, and improve sleep. Building self-confidence. Sports can help build self-confidence and a sense of self-satisfaction. Developing social skills. Sports can help develop social skills and build relationships. There are many different types of sports you can try, so you are sure to find something you enjoy. You can try team sports like soccer, basketball, or volleyball, or you can try individual sports like swimming, running, or cycling. You can also try less traditional sports like gymnastics, skiing, or yoga. If you want to start exercising, here are some tips. Start slowly. Don't try to do too much at once. Start with light activities and gradually increase the intensity. Find an activity you enjoy. You are more likely to continue exercising if you enjoy it. Try different activities. There are many different types of sports, so don't be afraid to try new things. Work with a friend or family member. It can be fun to exercise with someone else. I hope you enjoy the sport.
Technology can be a powerful tool for learning and having fun. It can help you learn new things about the world around you. Technology can help you access information from all over the world, allowing you to learn about different cultures and topics. Expand your horizons and understand different cultures. Technology can help you connect with people from all over the world, allowing you to learn more about their experiences and opinions. Improve your language and writing skills. Technology can help you practice and improve your language and writing skills. Relax and relieve stress. Technology can help you relax and enjoy yourself. You can play games, watch videos, or listen to music. Build your imagination and creativity. Technology can help you express yourself and create creative works. There are many different ways to use technology to learn and have fun. You can use it to search for information, learn online, or communicate with friends and family. You can also use them for entertainment, such as playing games or watching videos. Here are some tips for using technology to learn and have fun. Set your goals. What would you like to learn or enjoy using technology? Search for reliable sources. Make sure the information you get from technology is reliable. Use technology responsibly. Don't spend too much time using technology, and make sure you use it in a safe way. I hope you enjoy using technology to learn and have fun.